Hi everyone, welcome back to the Laravel 7 tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn about upgrading to Laravel 7 from Laravel 6. For Laravel 7, PHP 7.25 version is required. So, you must have installed PHP 7.2.5 version in your system. Okay, now let's go to the Laravel 6 project. So, switch to the project and here inside this project just open composer.jsn file. Alright, and inside the composer.jsn file you can see here Laravel framework 6.2 version. Okay, now upgrade this into Laravel 7.0. For that, make some changes inside the composer.jsn file. So just here add php 7.2.5. Alright, and also change the proxy which is 4.2 and Laravel framework 7.0. Okay, and now make some changes with required dev dependencies. So just type here ignition with 2.0 version and faker 1.9.1 version. All right, and mockery 1.3.1. Okay, and collision 4.1. All right, and also change the PHP unit, just type here 8.5. All right, and inside this require just add here two things. One is course, so just type here fruitcake slash Laravel course. Okay, and its version is caret sign 1.0 inside the double quote. Okay, all right, and also add here Guzzle HTTP. So just type here Guzzle HTTP slash Guzzle colon and its version is caret sign 6.3. All right, now all set. Save this file. Check the spelling fruitcake Laravel course. Okay, it's correct. Guzzle HTTP Guzzle. Okay, ठीक है. All right, now save the composer.json file. And now go to the app folder and inside this app folder just go inside the exceptions and just open handler.php file. Okay, and inside the handler.php file just change the exceptions with throwable. So just type here throwable and just copy this and also change inside the report method and also inside the render method. Okay, now save the file. Alright, now go to the command prompt and here just execute the command composer update. Alright, now it's updating dependencies, so it will take few minutes, so please wait. Okay, here is some problem. Oh, change the version of fruitcake. So just type here 1.0.4 and 1.0.v1 1.0.4. Okay, now save the file and execute one more time. So just type here composer update and it's updating. Alright, now it's done. So execute one more command here. So just type here php artisan vendor publish. Okay, php artisan vendor publish and press enter and just press here 9. Alright, now let's check the version. So just type here php artisan / version and you can see here Laravel framework 7.0.4. It means uh, it's updated. Okay, so in this way you can upgrade Laravel 7 from Laravel 6. So that's all about upgrading to Laravel 7 from Laravel 6. So thanks for watching this video, and if you still have any kind of question you can ask me in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.